urge you to study hard, to burn the midnight oil. I would say to you, don't drop out of school, and I understand all of the sociological reasons why we often drop out of school.
I am Pradeep Ingre, TGT Maths, Kendriya Vidyalaya Ordnance Factory, Ambernath. I am taking your understanding quadrilateral. Sum of angle of triangle equal to 1 into 180, that is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angle of quadrilateral equal to 2 into 180, that is equal to 360 degree. Sum of angle of pentagon equal to 3 into 180 degree, that is equal to 540 degree. Sum of angle of hexagon equal to 4 into 180 degree, that is equal to 720 degree. Suppose we made the expression for it, then what happened? This is equal to 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. It is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. It is 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So these are the sides, number of sides of triangle. So sum of angle of triangle is equal to sum of angle of triangle equal to 3 minus 2 into 180 degree, where this 3 is number of sides of triangle. This is number of side of quadrilateral. This is number of side of pentagon, number of sides of hexagon. Overall, we can write angle sum property as n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the number of sides of polygon. In previous part, we have already seen angle sum property of polygon, how to obtain angle sum property of polygon using single triangle. Just we review it and then continue with this problem. You know that sum of angle of triangle equal to 180 degree. This 1 plus 2 plus 3. Angle sum of these 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. That is equal to 180 degree. Then if we add to this triangle another triangle, so if this 1, 2, 3, this 4, 5, 6, then angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, that is equal to again 180 degree. So this sum of this angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, that is equal to 360 degree. Now this 1 plus 4 constitute this angle, 3 plus 5 constitute this angle. Overall, the resultant is the angle sum property of quadrilateral. If we add another quadrilateral over here, if we add another triangle over here, say 7 plus 8 plus 9, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, suppose angle 7 plus angle 8 plus 9, then sum of these 3 equal to 540, means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 up to angle 9, that is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180, that is equal to 540 degree. So this is what's a pentagon. So what we have got? In triangle, angle sum equal to 180 degree. In quadrilateral, angle sum equal to sum of angle of interior angle equal to 360 degree. In pentagon, sum of angle of pentagon equal to 540 degree. In hexagon, sum of angle of hexagon equal to 720. That is 1 into 180, 2 into 180, 3 into 180, 4 into 180. Likewise, this is now 8 sided polygon. This is a 10 sided polygon. Then it is 8 into 180. So it means that if triangle is there, then 1 into 180 means 3 minus 2 into 180. If quadrilateral is there, then 2 into 180, that is equal to 4 minus 2 into 180. If pentagon is there, pentagon having 5 sides, then 5 minus 2 into 180, that is 3 into 180. If hexagon is there, means 6 minus 2 into 180, that is 4 into 180, that is 720. Likewise, we have made the problem continue. Then if number of sides of polygon are n, then angle sum of angle of polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now we want to know regular polygon with 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. Now let us have first of all, let us know what is meaning of regular polygon. We have already taken in first part that the regular polygon has got equal sides as well as equal angles. Means regular polygon is equilateral as well as equiangular. You know that there are different types of triangles. Three-sided polygon is triangle, but out of this equilateral triangle has got 3 equal sides as well as 3 equal angles. So three-sided regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Another four-sided polygon is quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, rhombus has got 4 equal sides but does not have 4 equal angles. So these 4 equal angles and 4 equal sides, that is satisfied by the square. That is why square is the regular polygon having 4 sides. 6-sided polygon, you know that hexagon is 6-sided polygon. Regular hexagon has got 6 equal sides as well as 6 equal angles. Regular pentagon has 5 equal sides, 5 equal angles. Regular hexagon, regular heptagon, regular octagon. These are the regular figures. Now let us take some application problem. We want to find this x in this quadrilateral. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 side, means it is quadrilateral. You know that's angle sum property of quadrilateral. Sum of these 4 angle is equal to 360 degree. So this 50 degree plus this 130 degree plus this 120 degree plus x, that is equal to 360 degree. Out of this sum of these 3 equal to 300. 300 plus x equal to 360 degree, means x equal to 360 minus 300, that is equal to 60 degree. So here x equal to 60 degree. Now let us do another problem, this problem. Now in this case, this angle is 90 degree, this x 70 degree and this 60 degree. So this 90 degree external angle and 90 degree, sum of these two equal to 180, that is why this is also 90 degree. So 90 degree, so sum of this 4 angle equal to 360 degree, means this 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, this angle 60 degree, this angle 70 degree and another angle x, that is equal to 360 degree. Why? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral, out of which sum of these two equal to 220 degree. 220 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. If you transpose 220, then 360 minus 220 degree, that is equal to 220 degree, that is equal to 140 degree. So this x equal to 1. Now let us take this problem. Before taking this problem, because this problem is based on the angle sum each angle of regular polygon. Now you know that angle sum property, we have already taken angle sum property of polygon. Now regular polygon consists of equal angles as well as equal sides. So you know that each angle of equilateral triangle, each angle of regular polygon is equal to sum of interior angle of polygon divided by number of sides. So in equilateral triangle there are 3 sides and angle sum is 180 degree. So each angle of equilateral triangle is 180 divided by 3. Now each angle of square, you know that square is a regular polygon having 4 sides. Sum of angle of quadrilateral equal to 360 and each side is 4, that is why 360 divided by 4 equal to 90 degree. So each angle of square equal to 360 divided by 4 equal to 90 degree. Each angle of regular pentagon, each angle of regular pentagon equal to 360. Now it is 540 because total angle of regular pentagon is equal to 540. 540 divided by 5, that is equal to 108 degree. So this problem is based on this property, because angle sum of this regular pentagon is 540 degree. Sum of angle of regular pentagon is 540 degree, and 540 degree, each angle is x, means x plus, it means that sum of angle of regular pentagon, sum of angle of regular pentagon equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, that is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is equal to 540 degree. Therefore, each angle of this regular pentagon equal to 540 divided by number of sides, 540 divided by n, that is 540 divided by 5 sides, that is equal to 108 degree. That is problem D. Now let us see this problem. Now in this problem, what is given? This is what say polygon is pentagon is there. Pentagon is there. Therefore, definitely n minus 2 into 180 degree. Number of sides of pentagon is 5. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 3 into 180 degree. That is 540 degree. Now sum of this 5 angle of this pentagon is 540 degree. But what is given? This is exterior angle 70. This is exterior angle 60 given. You know that sum of these two angle equal to 180 degree, because they form linear pair, and sum of these two angle equal to 180 degree. This is another linear pair. First of all, we find this angle and this angle. So 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. When it is 110 degree, 110 degree plus 70 equal to 180 degree. This angle equal to 180 minus 60 degree. 180 degree minus 60 degree. That is equal to 120 degree. Now we have got all 5 angles of this pentagon. This 30 degree, this is 110 degree, this is 120 degree, and this unknown x degree. Sum of all these 5 is equal to 540 degree. So this x and this x, that is 2x, and sum of this 30, 120 and 110 and 120, that is equal to 260. So 260 plus x equal to 540, and therefore x equal to 140 degree. You know the angle sum property of polygon. Angle sum property of polygon is sum of angle of polygon equal to sum of angle of polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here this figure is pentagon, means number of sides are 5, means it is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 3 into 180 degree, that is equal to 540 degree. So sum of all these 5 angles equal to 540 degree. But out of these 5 angles, these 2 angles we have to find. Out of these 5 angles, these 2 angles we have to find. This 70 and this angle, let us say this angle is A and this angle is B. Sum of these 2 angles equal to 180 degree linear pair, and sum of these 2 angles equal to 180 degree linear pair. So first of all, we find A plus 70 equal to 180 degree, implies A equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is equal to 110 degree. Let us find this angle B. This B plus 60 equal to 180 degree. So B equal to 180 minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. Now we have got this angle is equal to 110 degree, and this angle is 120 degree. And these 2 angles we want to find. These 2 angles are x we want to find. Now we have already taken sum of these all 5 angles equal to 540 degree. So let us do this calculation. This 30 degree plus this x plus this 110 degree plus this 120 degree plus this x equal to plus x equal to 540 degree. Out of which this sum of this 1, 2 and 3, that is equal to 280 degree. sum of this 1, 2 and 3, that is equal to 280 degree. 280 plus 2x equal to 540 degree. It implies sum of this 3 equal to 260 degree. So this 2x equal to 540 minus 260 degree, that is equal to 280 degree. 2x equal to 180, 280 means x equal to 280 divided by 2, that is equal to 140 degree. So this angle is 140 degree, this angle is 140 degree, and sum of this all high angle equal to 540 degree.